Koken Attack Driver. Attack Driver converts your hammering strength into torque to remove stuck screws by an instantaneous shock. The head of Attack Driver is black finished with the plating removed to prevent flaking, which could cause injury. Its body has serrations and is designed to be grasped firmly. It is easy to transmit the maximum torque on impact when striking the attacking head. Also, the Attack Driver can be combined with various types of sockets, using the general-purpose insertion square drive when its bit holder is detached. Removing stuck or rusty screws. Koken Attack Driver.